Hey guys, Kimberly here, Oregon Rainforest Adventures. We are out here hiking around the east side of Devil's Lake. Kind of waiting for the evening to roll around so I can throw in my pole and hopefully get a few nibbles. It is the first week of June here on the Oregon coast. I thought I'd stop here, tell you guys the fishing action, and give you the stocking report. All right, thanks for joining me on my hike, and thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Also, just want to give a shout out to our subscribers. Request one of our hats. We have them in pink, blue, and gray in the trucker hat. And we also have non-adjustable flex fit hats in navy blue and black if you want to request one of those. Or if you prefer a t-shirt, just like, subscribe, and comment with your preferable size and product. And if you are the lucky subscriber that gets picked, we will send you one for free. Once again, Kimberly here, signing out. Gonna go throw my pole in now. Thank you so much for watching. Hope y'all are having a beautiful Pacific Northwest day. Peace.
Today we are visiting the East Devil's Lake State Park, one of 6 access points. If you visit with the intention of launching a boat, there are 3 parks with boat ramps. The Regatta Grounds Park, the Holmes Road Park, and the Devil's Lake State Campground. Most of the parks feature fishing docks, picnic areas, restrooms, and public grills. Devil's Lake consists of 685 acres of fresh water, connected to the Great Pacific Ocean by the world's shortest river, the Dee River. Devil's Lake supports a diverse fishery, including stocked trout, warm water species, and andromynous fish like salmon. Here you can fish for rainbow trout and cutthroat trout, which is stocked annually by the Oregon Department of Fish and Wildlife, particularly in the spring, largemouth bass and smallmouth bass, yellow perch and black crappie, the brown bullhead catfish, coho salmon that migrate naturally from the Pacific Ocean up the Dee River, and the grass carp. However, these are to control aquatic vegetation. Catching or keeping them is strictly prohibited.
Are you bored, BB? You could always grab a fishing pole, BB, and throw it in. Give you something to do. Throw some human hands. So trout season is about wrapping up here on Devil's Lake. There's still quite a bit of fish in here, but it's a big ass lake. So catching a trout right about now, early June, is probably not gonna happen unless you're on a boat. Warm water bass is just beginning. But there's a perch in here year round, which is my favorite fish. I hope to get a couple of those today. So far, no bites. Beautiful overcast day though. On the Oregon coast, wearing a sweatshirt instead of sitting in 85-degree weather in Lynn County. Can't beat that. We're fishing, fishing! Well, you know what they say. A bad day of fishing is better than a good day at the mill. We got skunk today. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at this huge fish. Can you see him? Oh my God. He's freaking huge. I don't know what that is. Catfish? I don't know. Wow. That's cool. Maybe it's a baby sturgeon. It's really big. You see that big fish, baby? Maybe I should get my pole. Wouldn't that be something? Holy cow. There he goes into the weeds. Baby, you're scaring him. Oh, that was, oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, I can barely see him. Wow. That was cool.